Hello, Papa J learns Excel here. Okay, so in the previous session, I taught you how to import files, especially text files into Excel. Okay, so I've taught you 3 methods, but now we're going to do something different. We're going to export the data in Excel file into a text file. Okay, into a text file, because maybe we want to send this text file to other parties, okay, for them to use. Okay, so how do we do that? Okay. So I'm going to teach you a very common method. So right over here, we have the insurance data, right? Okay, and we want to export it. Okay, so what we can do is we can just go to File. Okay, there are a few methods. You can go to Export over here, change file type. So you can save it as CSV, okay? Because I like to use comma delimited. Okay, so the first method is you can use export. Second method is you can use save as. Okay, save as, and you can save on a PC. For example, I want to save over here, so I'll rename as exporting Excel data into text file. Okay, and you want to save as comma delimited CSV, then you click save. Okay, now you save it already. Okay, now you have the file over here. Okay, so now the file over here is a Microsoft Excel comma separated values file. Okay, so we want this to be a text document. How do we do this? First, let's close our file. Okay, so it's very easy. You go to view, you click file name extension. Now you can see that, okay, this is .csv, right? Okay, we shall change this file name to txt. Okay, there you click yes, and there you have it. There you have it. You have the file in comma delimited values. Okay, so that's it for exporting data from Excel file to a text file. Okay, this is Papa J learns Excel here. See you again. Bye.